Aloha, good morning. Environmentally conscious firms, one of the best things about them is those that are making energy, fuel, or water savings, they're also making profits on those savings. So really, we're in an environment here where we're talking about win-wins all over the place. And one of the best ways you can save energy or costs is through employee behavior change. The problem with that, however, is employee behavior change is notoriously difficult to both measure and it's also difficult to implement. My name's Dan White, I'm CEO of Signol, and I'm going to tell you about the first ever randomized control trial in aviation. And I work with my co-founders, Professor Robert Metcalf and Professor Bob Hahn, and we're delivering academic insights to commercial products to scale them up to solve big problems. We undertook our first randomized control trial in aviation in 2013 with Virgin Atlantic. We saved $5.5 million in aviation fuel in 8 months and over 21,500 tons of CO2. This was measured as the lowest marginal abatement cost for CO2 ever. So we thought it'd be rude not to turn this into software. So we did. And so we're slowly building this up to serve primarily the aviation market, but also others. How does Signol work? Essentially, there are two facets to Signol. The first one is we take data from the organization and we personalize it into little packages at the individual level. We don't give general information, we tell you what you're using against measured behaviors. And the second thing we do is we frame that using behavioral economics and behavioral science. So we use incentives, we use framing, we use loss aversion. Perhaps one of the greatest things that we found in our work is that the pilots who received one of our interventions reported much higher levels of job satisfaction. They were happier when we gave them the information that they received. So Signol is in fact not only a win-win, it's a win-win-win. We're doing the environment, we're helping costs, and we're also helping the staff. We think our cap is about 5% of fuel savings based on our current solutions. But the really exciting thing about what we're doing here is we think we can also apply to other areas. So we're looking at shipping, rail, logistics, many, many other areas. Thank you for your attention.